In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to the next line in Slack without sending your message prematurely. This is a handy trick that will make your communication much smoother and more precise, especially when crafting longer messages or formatting with lists and paragraphs. So let's dive right in and explore how this simple yet powerful feature works. To get started, first navigate to the left side panel of your Slack application. You'll see channels, direct messages, and everything that keeps your workspace organized. This panel is essentially your home base in Slack, allowing quick access to all conversations you're part of. Once there, you'll need to locate the channel or direct message thread where you intend to send your message. If you're not seeing it right away, make use of the search function to easily find the channel you're looking for. Typing in keywords associated with the desired conversation should bring it up promptly. This feature greatly expedites finding an active conversation, especially in a busy workspace. After selecting the relevant channel or thread, click into the message editor. You know you're there when you see the cursor blinking, inviting you to type. The message editor is a crucial part of the Slack interface where all your typed communications happen. It's also the area where adding a new line comes into play. Start typing your message as you normally would. If you're drafting something that requires multiple lines or paragraphs, just typing away can sometimes feel limiting without the ability to format correctly by adding line breaks. Here's where the magic happens. To insert a new line without sending your message, you'll need to use a simple keyboard shortcut. On a Windows system, hold the Shift key and press Enter. For Mac users, you'll use the Command key along with the Enter key. This action will move your cursor to the next line, allowing a neatly formatted text to enhance readability and presentation. Utilizing this trick opens up possibilities. Whether you're listing out steps, breaking down an explanation, or even quoting a passage, you can repeat this process as much as your message requires, creating a structured and easy to read communication flow. Additionally, while crafting your message, feel free to enhance it visually by adding images. This can make your message not only appealing but also can serve to illustrate a point more clearly. Remember that effective communication often involves a visual element, which Slack's platform supports very well. That's a wrap on learning how to navigate to the next line in Slack without sending your message. With this knowledge in hand, you're equipped to handle your Slack communications with greater finesse and clarity. Happy typing, and see you in the next video.